Up next in fourth place is the CaddyTek CaddyLite Easy V8. This unit is a perfect combination of quality, design, and convenience. The lightweight frame, sturdy construction, and umbrella holder make it a must for any golf player. It includes a cooler or basket with an ice pack, a mesh net on the handle, a cell phone, a GPS holder, a storage rack, and a foot brake. Even better, this cart folds in 2 simple steps and can be stowed in its storage bag for easy transportation. In addition, this cart has an easy-to-use foot brake and a strong aluminum frame. This sturdy push cart can hold up to 110 pounds of gear. Also, this product weighs less than 18.5 pounds and has a wide body design to provide plenty of room for all your golf accessories. Its one unique feature is the patent basket built-in cooler that works great to keep your drinks cold while you play. Furthermore, the durable aluminum frame, 31-inch body width, and adjustable cart handle make it a great choice, whether you're playing 18 holes or just heading to the driving range for a quick bucket of balls. Lastly, you will like the compact design that makes it easy to transport and store, yet durable enough to withstand the rigors of daily use on the golf course. Its pros are, it's easy to assemble out of the box, it has both umbrella and seat attachments, and it includes an effective press brake. However, folding the cart up can be a little tricky at first. The CaddyTek CaddyLite Easy V8 is designed for comfort, ease of use, and control. Perfect for any golfer looking for practicality out on the green. Still haven't found a golf cart that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.